Language, a way of marking territory, attracting mates and communicating with their peers. Each song is a story, a thread in the fabric of their social and communal existence. Let's continue with more curiosities. When the time comes for breeding, robins become actors in a dance of courtship and competition. The eggs, little jewels in shades of blue and brown, are incubated with dedication. And each chick is carefully nurtured until it is ready to take flight. Robins have a light, agile flight, a spectacle of skill and elegance. This flight takes them through diverse environments.